The County Public Finance Management Act, the Constitution is very clear that 30% of the total monies collected by the counties should go to development. Can you guys tell me what has Kidero done with these monies he's been collecting from Nairobians? What has he done with the monies he's been collecting from the national government through the exchequer? Can you tell me of one slum Kidero has upgraded? Corruption has been rampant in Nairobi County. He should tell us what he has done for Nairobians for these 5 years he's been the governor. He should tell us why the corruption cartel, the same cartel that fleeced Mumias Sugar, landed in Nairobi County. For instance, I'll give you one example because I don't want you guys to be taken to court tomorrow. I'll give you one example of one, Peter Hongo, who was the marketing and sales director in Mumias Sugar. Peter Hongo was charged by CID headquarters, by the DCI. He has a pending case, a pending criminal case in Kibera Court. He misappropriated 300 million when he was a director in Mumias Sugar. Then the same Peter Hongo happened to be attended in Nairobi for collecting garbage. We even have evidence, letters he wrote to residents of Zone 9, Kileleshwa, Karen, Lavington, Kitisuru. He instructed those residents to be paying garbage collection fees to his company. This is abuse of office. This is conflict of interest. And you know Kidero with his deep pockets. This is a person who has even bribed a judge 200 million to just buy his ticket to become the Nairobi governor. So I think you all know the kind of a person we are dealing with. I've been raising corruption cases. Even immediately I was sworn in as the senator for Nairobi County. I've been debating in Senate. I've been bringing these matters before the Senate. I've even taken the governor to court. I even wrote to the DPP. We've got response from the DPP. He's a land grabber. He's a thief. He has failed the people of Nairobi. The mistakes he has committed are unforgivable. The people of Nairobi will never forgive him. And I want to tell him, he's stolen billions from Mumias, from Nairobi County, will never buy the voice of the people. This is what I want to respond to the allegations by my friend and brother Evans Kidero.
When you being cleared to contest the Nairobi governorship position, what makes you so confident that you're going to win?
I'm confident because I have done my part when I was the senator for Nairobi, and I feel that Kidero has failed Nairobians. I want to repeat myself, he has failed Nairobians. As the governor, he has failed to deliver. He's failed. Nairobians are the highest taxpayers. We deserve to have a clean city. We deserve to have a city that has no traffic congestion. Even when I'm the senator, I've already done my part. The other day, you just saw I went to court. The traffic snarls around the Thika Road. I went to court. An order was granted. A judgment was delivered in my favor that the bumps along Thika Road are supposed to be removed. The ramp of street are supposed to be removed. Pedestrians are supposed to